It's my first time to see this unique kind of classic doorbell. They call this vintage doorbell chimes or the new tone doorbell chimes. Let's start!
See, it's moving.
Pero saan siya gumagalaw?
It's moving. Three of them. It's moving.
So they say it's pretty expensive. So we can see lots of different vintage door chimes for sale. And there's a lot of variety. This one is similar to what my friend has. I click on it and they also call it Electra chime doorbells. What you see here is a 1941 paper ad and how much this vintage electric chime costs before. And how much? Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. There's something like $650, $570. Wow, very expensive. Look how much they cost now. Very expensive. Here's a video to show you how it looks inside and how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button. Jam Cat will see you on our next video. Bye!